Welcome to English Language Club for participating final round English debate. On behalf of Gopalpur Islamic Government High School, this is first time we are going to arrange, and today is going to be held on the final round English debate competition. This debate competition is also present. Our honorable head teacher is also chief guest, special guest, our assistant head teacher, and honorable judges and respected senior teacher and assistant teacher and my dear learners. Assalamu alaikum. And you will be glad to know that English debate is very important for every learners. And I worked for many years, and 2024 I have been created some groups for participating English debate competition. We know English is a language, but we feel afraid to speak in English. But you are showing already that you have talent and you have already proved. 4 teams already participated, and last Monday, first round was held in our school premises, and 2 teams were qualified for final round. And today's final session will take part team, proposition team, Robert Herrick, members of this team, MD Moin, MD Mahmudul Haq, Mahmudul Hasan Dil, captain of this team. And opposition of the point, I'm going to introduce them. Tawhid Hassan, first speaker, Nasrid Al-Fuad, second speaker, Fahim Ahmed, captain of this team. Now I'm going to announce the topic. Topic name is studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills. Again, I would like to pronounce studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills. 2 teams, they have already prepared themselves. Now we are going to enter. In the beginning of the session, I would like to request our head teacher for his inaugural speech. Sir, I am requested to you that you will deliver your speech for inaugural.
An English divided competition organized by historical Gopalpur Islamic Government High School. At present, assistant teacher of this school and senior teacher, other teachers, and my dear student, my greeting and salam for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today is very happy day for our school because an English debate competition today presentation our student. It is difficult, but our school arrangement this competition, and I am thanks many for the judgment, moderator, students, and at last I declare the event in this moment. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir, for nice inaugural speech already delivered by our chief guest and our honorable head teacher, Shibir Ahmed sir. Now I'm going to introduce our judges, honorable judges. Honorable judges are present. Nazma Begum, senior teacher of English department, Ghafarpur Islamia Government High School. Azizul Haq, senior teacher of English department, Ghafarpur Islamia Government High School, and Mahbubur Rahman, assistant teacher of English department in Ghafarpur Islamia Government High School. Honorable judge, they will do their duty. Okay, now I'm going to explain before you about debate competition some rules. Let's see, every team, 3 members will participate. Members must listen about how will you be evaluated by judges. Presentation, you will get 5. Use of language and pronunciation, 10. Presentation of theory and pronunciation, 15. Application and rebuttal or argument, 10. Let's see, first round, you will get and you will be judges by honorable judges in these marks. And after completing your first round, then only team leaders will take part rebuttal rounds. Rebuttal rounds, team leader will be evaluated by presentation 5 of use of language and pronunciation 10. Understand? I hope that. Dear learners, now I'm going to request for the motion of the first speaker of this topic. Again, I would like to remind you that today's topic for final round, studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills. I'm requested to the first speaker, come to the dais to deliver your speech. Come here.
Assalamualaikum. Honorable moderator, distinguished judge panel, opponents and dear audience. Today we are debating for position of the motion that studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills. Being the first speaker, I am going to construct our first parameter out of 3 and sum it. Number 1, clarity and precision in communication. Mystery of grammar ensures that messages are conveyed clearly and accurately, preventing misunderstandings. This is essential in both personal and professional contexts, where clarity is critical for effective communication. Honorable moderator, now let's sum it. Condition of communication. Grammar is essential for clear communication without it. Messages can be easily misunderstood. Professionalism. Correct grammar enhances credibility and competence in academic and professional contexts. While poor grammar can create negative impressions. Language comprehension. Understanding grammar helps learners decode and interpret complex text more easily. Long-term retention. Mystery of grammar rules aids in long-term retention to language facility. Standardization. Grammar provides a standardized standardized method of using language, which is vital in formal context for clarity. Honorable moderator, let's move towards the arguments. At first, grammar is the foundation for clear and effective communication. Grammar provides the structural framework that allows for clear and logical expression of ideas. Without a strong grasp of grammatical rules, communication can become ambiguous, leading to misunderstandings. Grammar serves as a roadmap guidelines speakers to convey precise and coherent messages, which is essential in both personal and professional contexts. After saying this, one question remains that how does grammar contribute to clarity and precision in communication compared to informal conversation skills? Number 2, grammar is integral to professionalism and credibility. In academic and professional settings, grammatical accuracy is often a benchmark of credibility and competence, for grammar can undermine a speaker's professionalism and negatively impact how they are perceived. Errors in grammar within documents, emails or presentation can lead to miscommunication and effect on reputation and effectiveness. Thank you.
Thank you very much. First speaker of motion team. Now I would like to request to come here to the dais. Opposition first speaker. Please come to the dais and deliver your speech from your side.
Ladies and gentlemen, honorable judges and estimated fellow debaters. Today we plan to oppose the motion that studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills. While grammar undoubtedly serves a crucial function in language, we contend that prioritizing conversation skills is far more vital for effective communication and personal development. Firstly, it is essential to recognize the primary purpose of language. It is to convey thoughts, ideas, and emotions. In our daily interaction, we engage with others through conversation rather than through grammatical skills. Whether in informal discussions or professional exchanges, our ability to communicate fluently and naturally is paramount. Practicing conversation skills equips individuals with the confidence and tools necessary for meaningful engagement. Without these skills, communication risk became hesitant and limited, obstructing the formation of genuine connections. Secondly, conversation skills enhance our capacity to understand context and intention, elements fundamental to human interaction. Grammar alone does not equip us to read between the lines or interpret tones. In contexts such as job interviews or social gatherings, it is our conversational adaptability that truly distinguishes us, not our strict adherence to grammatical rules. Effective communication necessitates adaptability, quick thinking, and emotional intelligence. Qualifies that are best cultivated through practice experience rather than through an amplified or grammatical skills. Furthermore, prioritizing conversation skills fosters an environment in which learners can overcome anxiety and build confidence. Research indicates that individuals who focus excessively on grammar often experience self-doubt and making mistakes. Moreover, an overemphasis of grammar can lead to a rigid approach to language. Real-life conversations are inherent and dynamic. A fixation on grammatical correctness may yield a structured, globally speaking style that, while technically accurate, lacks the naturalness essential for daily conversation or adaptive communication. In conclusion, while grammar undeniably plays a significant role in language learning, but it is the practice of conversational skills that truly empowers individuals to build language as a dynamic instrument for connection and understanding. By prioritizing conversational skills over grammatical skills, we cultivate communicators who are not only adaptable and empathic, but also confident in their ability to navigate complex social and professional landscapes. Thank you for all of your attention.
Thank you very much. Opposition first speaker, you have nicely delivered your speech from your side, Again, I would like to remind you that every competitors, you will get 3 minutes. Mind it, after 2 minutes, first bell will run, and after 3 minutes, the final bell will ring. So, you will be conscious of time. Now, I would like to request second speaker of the motion team. You are requested to come here to the dais to deliver your speech. Come here.
Honorable moderator, distinguished judges and opponents and respected audience. Assalamu alaikum. Today, I stand at a crossroad of discussed task with unraveling the complexity of studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills. For the sake of reality and for rational reasons, my team and I have a strong position on the matter. Now, as the second speaker of my team, I'm going to describe our second parameter, which is professionalism and credibility. Correct grammar is associated with professionalism and competence, which are vital in academic and work environments. Poor grammar can lead to negative impressions and impact career opportunities. Honorable moderator, studying grammar lays the foundation for effective language mastery, especially in learning a second language. Grammar serves as the architecture of a language, structuring how words together to convey meaning. While conversational practice is helpful for fluency, it can lead to repetitive mistakes if pursued without grammar foundation. For example, learner might say, I am go to school, instead of I am going to school. Without grammar, such errors become ingrained, limiting fluency. Research shows that learners with a grammar-first approach are 30% more likely to reach advanced proficiency. Source: Johnson and Lee, 2019. While conversation skills are valuable, grammar provides the structure and precision needed for true language mastery. That's why we are saying studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills. Grammar also ensures clarity. In professional settings, precise grammar is crucial to avoid misunderstandings, which is a big point. I want to say for the opposing team that if you are focused on achieving clear and structured communication, studying grammar will provide accuracy and precision, especially for formal settings. However, if you need quick natural response, conversation practice is crucial to improve fluency and adaptability. Balancing both has to maintain clarity while sounding natural, enhancing overall effectiveness in your role. I'm leaving a question for the opposing team, that is, why might someone who is skilled in conversation but lacks grammar knowledge be misunderstood in critical settings? Grammar study reduces speaking anxiety by providing a safety net of predictable roles, boosting confidence during conversations. Thank you very much for your attention. That's all.
Excellent and wonderful. We are enjoying nice debate competition. Our students are showing their best performance. In front of our spectator students, at the end of the lecture, end of the deliver, everyone clap for them. Understand? Because this is the hot chair. If you come here, your mind is trembling. But mind it that they are showing. In the history, I know no institution in this Upazila, still now, they don't show such kind of activities. We are advancing. In the era of globalization, mind it, if you don't have any ability to speak in English language, you will be lagged behind. Understand? So, English language greatly help you to advance yourself. Okay. Now, I'm going to request opposition second speaker come to the dais and deliver from your side, and you try to show your arguments from your side. Okay, come here.
Honorable moderator, respected judges, my dear fellow debaters and distinguished guests. Assalamu alaikum. debate is going on, and the topic of today's debate is studying grammar is more important than practicing conversational skill. And we finally stand as today's opposition. We prove that grammar is important, but learning conversational skill is more important than learning grammar. Let's talk about why people learn English. Why should they learn English? English is an international language. By learning English, we can communicate with the peoples and foreigners over the world. By learning English, we can connect with peoples and easily share our feelings, thoughts and opinions. We can easily explore the world. We can go many places and explore the world. By learning English, we will get various kinds of opportunity. A person who can share his feelings in English to the foreigners will get various kinds of opportunities in every part of the world. And a person who don't know English, he will not have any kinds of opportunity. And in this modern age, he never can get any kinds of opportunity in this Bangladesh. So we must learn English, but we think that without grammar we can speak English. Basically, speaking English is important, not learning grammars. In our daily uses of Bangla, no one uses Bangla grammar properly. But we can easily connect with people. We can easily communicate with people. He understanding me and I also understanding him. It is called language process. And without grammar, we can fulfill this such a kind of process. We can easily connect with the people before me and share my feelings. And the language process will be fulfilled. So we don't think that without grammar we can express our feelings. Our feelings will be expressed without grammar. Because it is a complicated way to express my feelings. And now I have to talk about the common problems of Bangladesh people. After completing their education, when they go for job, they require a person who is skilled in English, who can speak English, who can connect with the whole world, speak in English with foreigners. But when they want this such a kind of skill, they show that I got GPA 5, I got 50 in grammar, I got 100 in English past paper. But there is no value of this such a kind of result if we don't speak English before others. Expressing feeling is most. So we have to prioritize learning English, especially speaking English, not English grammar. But in Bangladesh, most of the people emphasize on learning grammar. They think that without learning grammar, you can speak. But at least speak some wrong things without grammar. Then gradually you can improve your ability. Without grammar, if you talk something, it might be hard to know, hard to understand, but you can understand this easily because grammar is not the main part of learning something and speaking something. And I already said that. Thank you, honorable moderator, for listening this. Thank you, everyone.
Wonderful, really amazing. Dear learners, everyone should appreciate for them and appreciate for them and respect for them because they are really doing great. Mind it, English is a language. It is not spoken in our society commonly, but it is spoken all over the country in the world. If you know English language, you will dominate all over the country in the world. You know, English is taught in our country as a compulsory subject from grade 1 to 12. But ask yourself, can you speak in English? Do you love to speak in English? I hope that from this program, you will be motivated. You will be energetic. You will be invigorated. I hope. This is my belief. Okay. Now, I'm going to request to come to the dais Mahmoudul Hassan Dil, captain of the motion team. Dil is being requested to come here.
Honorable moderator, distinguished judge panel, opponents and respected audience, take my salam, assalamu alaikum. Well, as being the third speaker for the proposing matter, I stand before you to reinforce our stance that studying grammar is more important than practicing conversational skills. no point of arguing that it is that indeed studying grammar is indeed more important than practicing conversation skills, because our teachers are studying us grammar over conversation skills. Honorable moderator, before we go further explanation, I want your attention by highlighting opponents that they didn't answer or give an explanation regarding on our arguments or question. Point to be noted, honorable moderator. Now it was saying that I am going to construct the third parameter. Essential for reading communication. Strong grammar skills are vital for effective reading, which is required in many fields for reporters, proposals, and other forms of writing communication, such as email. Good grammar enhances the quality of writing and ensuring that the intended messages are communicated effectively. Honorable moderator, now keep an eye on the arguments. Grammar provides a pathway to long-term language proficiency, while conversation skills may offer immediate gains, but fluency, a foundation in grammar ensures by lasting mastery of language. Grammar knowledge allows speakers to apply their skills across diverse scenarios, from informal conversations to formal presentations, with confidence and effective communication. It stated my first speaker, honorable moderator. Now let's move to our second argument, that is grammar enhances cognitive skills and analytical thinking. Studying grammar goes beyond language. It sharpens cognitive ability and enhances analytical thinking. An article in Forbes about communication in business context started, grammatical accuracy is often key factor in how messages are perceived. Source for December 5, 2023. That justifies my second speaker statement. Grammar is the strength of any language. Without it, all words are feeble. Said by Philistine poet and the author Muhammad Darwish. This points out how grammar is what gives language its power and coherence, enabling precision and impactful communication. Honorable moderator, an article goes, grammar rules the mind, and stated, fluency without grammar is like trying to navigate a city without a map. Grammar provides essential direction. Source BBC News, June 14, 2024. I'm going to leave two questions. How can true language mastery can be achieved without a solid foundation in grammar? Second, can conversational practice alone ensure linguistic accuracy without a foundation? Honorable moderator, I bought a newspaper today to show you that in this newspaper, it is used in formal language that follows grammatical rules, and that me and my team going to follow. Honorable moderator, and another question remains from my opposition team, that is studying language learning highlights that language accuracy is strongly linked to grammar knowledge. Source Lawson Freeman 2021. Thank you, honorable moderator. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much. I am astounding my students' speaking ability. Really amazing. There is no doubt about it. Mind it, learning is a long process, but you should be motivated. You should be determined. But language is not difficult, but you have to be determined. If you think that it is hard, then it's hard for you. Okay, and we were watching our team leader of opposition team speak. We were enjoying and we were asking. Now I'm going to request team leader of opposition, Fahim Ahmed, captain of the team, is being requested. Come to the dais to deliver your speech from your side.
Start. Thank you, honorable moderator, for giving me such a great kind of opportunity to express my opinion in this great program. Today I am here to address a fundamental question in language learning. Is studying grammar is truly important than practicing conversation skill? Our team family believes the answer is no. Let's start with a simple fact. Language is a tool of communication. The primary goal of learning any language is to convey thought, emotion, and ideas effectively. Grammar plays a role in this, of course, but it is not the end all be all. My team has argued, and I emphasize that practicing conversation skills directly enables the purpose. Mastering grammar alone doesn't make someone good communicator. It doesn't prepare them for real-world conversation. While tone, expression, and confidence matter,
just as much. If not more, our opponents may argue that conversation is essential to avoid misunderstanding. We agree that basic grammar is helpful, but it doesn't have to come thick fast. Think about it. The way millions of people worldwide speak English as a second language. They make grammatical errors, but they still successfully connect and understand each other. And it's the power of conversation, not flow of grammar. That's why I argue that conversation skills should be take priority. If we look down the English textbook of class 9, we see that it's written as English language learners often struggle with grammatical rules at page number 70. Furthermore, our team has highlighted that even young children learn language by first practicing. It is not by practicing grammar rules. Imagine a child spending hours learning grammar instead of actually speaking. They would miss the natural flow of language. Best communication in and practice conversation, gain experience and learn to adapt. In real life, being understood is far more valuable than following every grammatical rule, and we have pointed out conversation skill beyond confidence. Practicing conversation helps people to be comfortable with the language, even if their grammar is not perfect. How would they address the fact that millions of people communicate successfully in English worldwide despite limited knowledge of complex grammatical rules? In conclusion, let's be clear. Grammar has its place, but it is not the most important factor in mastering a language. Honorable moderator, that's why practicing conversation skill is more important than studying grammar. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Captain of our opposition team. You know that English debate competition, if you hear, your mind is trembling. But you have sacrificed your valuable time and you have prepared yourself. But time is very short. Within short time, you have prepared yourself. It's unbelievable to me. But next time, I hope that you do better. I must believe. And again, I would like to remind you that already 2 teams, 3 participants, each team 3 participants already delivered their speech. Now rebuttal round is going to start. Rebuttal round. Every team leader, that's the 2 team leaders, come to the dais. They will try to show their arguments and try to refute their arguments. First, I am going to request to come here, position team leader Mahmoud Azhar Dil. You are requested to come here, but you will be evaluated in this point. Presentation 5, use of language and pronunciation 10. This is your marking evaluated. And you will get in this time 2 minutes. After 1 minute 30 seconds, first bell will ring and 2 minutes will be finishing. Ring will be run. So I am requested, Mahmoud Azhar Dil is being requested, come to the dais and participate your rebuttal round. Come here.
Thank you, Honorable Moderator, for giving me the chance again. Honorable Moderator, I must clarify some misconception that my opponents argue that precision in conversational skills is the best way to learning a language. But without grammatical rules, conversations become chaotic and unclear. Conversational skills without grammar lead to poor structure, value, idea, and potential misunderstanding. Honorable Moderator, at first I'd like to highlight that we have given numerous question arguments and built a parameter that they couldn't even come close to breaking it. By my first speaker and second speaker speeches, weaken the point by saying the answers. Honorable Moderator, they're saying that we are not saying the conversation is not important. suppose conversation is like a tree and grammatics are the roots of the trees, honorable moderator. And Indian lecturer and language professor received Books on Books Award, Federation Indian Publications 2026. Sumita Roy has said that personal and professional life is a different thing. In your personal life, you may use your conversation like casual, but in your professional life, like I'm a student, when I'm a student, I will use my words grammatically and proper to in front of my class. Honorable moderator, that justifies my first legal statement. If they pay attention, if they pay much attention, they will find their responsible and reasonable explanation of our questions. Moreover, in any professional settings, informal conversation skills alone cannot deliver the clarity and precision that are mandatory. Grammar offers the consistency that conversation alone cannot do. Honorable moderator, with that being said, I'd like to terminate my speech.
Thank you very much, Mahmoud Hassan Dil, Opposition Team Leader. He has already presented his side, rebuttal round. Mind it, rebuttal round means you will try to show your argument of your side, of the topic, motion of the point, and you're against. That's an opposition team leader. When he will come here, then he will try to show his argument against your point. Mind it, today you are learners, tomorrow you will be leader. Currently you are studying in high school. After completing your high school, then you will enter college, university. But English skill must have needed. That skill helps you to master, to dominate, and advance yourself. Mind it. Now I am going to request opposition team leader to come here to take part rebuttal round. Fahim Ahmed, come here.
Thank you, honorable moderator, for giving me another chance. Today we are talking whether studying grammar is more important than practicing conversation skills. My team and I believe that practicing conversation skill is more important. Let me explain why. First, grammar rules are helpful, but they are not everything. Think about how cats learn to talk. They don't start with grammar lesson. They start by speaking, they make mistakes, but that are okay, because they are learning how to communicate. Language is about connecting with people, not getting every rule right. Honorable moderator, my opponents argue that good grammar make you more look educated. But think about it. When you meet someone, you are more interested by how he connects with you and by the grammar, but not by the grammar. People remember those who speak with confidence, not those who never make you grammar mistake. Grammar does give structure, but conversation skills teach us something just as important: how to be clear and engaging people. Respect speakers who can communicate ideas effectively and confidently, if their grammar is not perfect. In the most cases, small grammar errors don't prevent others from understanding the message. Professionalism comes more from confidence, tone, and clarity in speech than from perfect grammar. Learning through conversation makes language feel more natural, helping people communicate effectively. Honorable moderator, they asked about the importance of grammar. Matter is writing, sure, but speaking skills are just as important. In daily life, we are talk people much more than write to them. In conclusion, grammar is helpful, but practicing conversation skill is really helping communicate in real. Good communication comes from listening, understanding, and speaking clarity, not just following grammar rules. Let's focus on what truly matters: real and meaningful conversation. Thank you.
Thank you, Fahim Ahmed, opposition team leader. He has shown his side against of the opposition team leader point. He tries to show his argument, his point. And dear learners, we have already enjoyed a nice conversation, nice presentation from our teams. Two teams participated. Again, I would like to call their team names: Robert Harry, proposition; John Milton, opposition. And now, honorable judges are doing their judgment. They are preparing. In this time, I am going to give floor one by one language club member. You will introduce yourself and you'll get 1 minute. Okay, and I will call your name one by one. Come to the dais. First, Sadiqul Islam, Tamin Forai Kurak. Come here.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Tamin Forai Kurak before you. I'm 16 years old. I grade in class 9. I'm a student of Upper Islamic Government High School. Today, at the English Debate Festival 2024, 28 by 13 October is debate time. I'm a language member, English Language Club. I'm a regular member of English Language Club. I'm also English club from this year. Instead, my journey in speaking English. English Language Club create environment to speak English. This club with this practice speaking English we can also take with foreigner, which help us to remove our shine heads and I will forever be grateful to Mazhar Islam sir for introducing to the English Language Club and for changing my life. And every day, everyone, to speak English and develop your skill. One day, inshallah, one day you will be successful in your life. That's all for the time. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Now I'm going to request Samuel Alim. Come here. Time is very short and everyone, you will try to finish your space within 1 minute. Okay.
Dear audience, at first let me say Assalamu alaikum. Thanks my teacher to give me this golden opportunity for me. Actually, I am not in a habit of speaking in public places. Sorry for my ignorance, but I will try my level best to say something to this situation. Welcome to our English Debate Festival 2024, which is organized by our school, Government Islamic Government High School. To become a great speaker, English debate is very important. English debate is a great way to improve our communication skill, critical thinking, and confidence. It can also help us to learn more about current events and different perspectives on important issues. It also helps us to broaden our knowledge and understanding of the worldwide. Debate can also help us overcome our fear of public speaking. That's all for the timing. Time is very short. That was a nice note with you. Allah.
Thank you, Samuel Alim. Now, Tahmid Jahan. Everyone, get ready. Okay, because time is very short and you will try to finish your speech within time. Tahmid Jahan. Start.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammed Siam, student of grade 9, Government High School. I am really glad to come here in this beautiful morning. Actually, get pleasure for me to say something before you. I am not a new speaker. Anyway, I will get to say something before you. Today, I am talking about our English Language Club. English Language Club has brought me many things in my life. In previous day, I never speak and talk English and I never study well in English. In my school, when my teacher asked to me speak English, reading English, I never go ahead. But since joining this English language club, I try to speak and confidently speak in English and read English anywhere at any time. I really forever grateful my honorable teacher and Mother Islam sir who connected me with the English language club and motivated us. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.
Wonderful, Tahmid Jahan. Now Shahidul Islam, come here. Mind it, practice builds accuracy, accuracy builds confidence, confidence builds your fluency. Okay, start.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. And I would like to thank my honorable teacher for giving me the opportunity to speak here. I actually am not in the habit of speaking in like this presentation. Anyway, I will try my best to say something regarding my topic. At first, I'm going to talk about myself. My full name is Shahidul Islam, but you can call me Shahidul. I am 14 years old. I am in grade 9. The name of my school is Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. I am a regular member of our English language club, which is conducted by our honorable teacher, MD Madhav. Now I am going to talk about English language club. English language club is a place where class member regular come and practice speaking English. This club improves our language skills and gain our confidence. Once I could not even introduce about myself, but now after becoming a member of the club, I will try my best to say something about any topic with few minutes. So it's very important for us. That's all for today. Thank you all for listening to me. Allah.
Brilliant, amazing. Now I'm going to request to come here, Abir Ahmed. Come here. Hurry up.
So, honorable teachers, my younger brothers, elder brothers, and teachers, at first I want to thank you for giving me this kind of wonderful opportunity. So, at first I am to introduce myself. That this is Abir Ahmed Jisan before you, but you can call me with my nickname Abir Ahmed. I am from Deonganj, but I live in Gopalganj for my educational and consuming other facilities in city life. So. My hobby is reading newspaper, watching movies, and etc. So today is debate festival, and I am a team leader of another debate. But unfortunately, I'm lost that. But my other debaters friends, they represented their speech very nicely. Now I am to say something about English Language Club, which is conducted by our teacher MD Mazharul Islam. So English Language Club is a place where students learn English language. In our locality, that's been Gopalganj, there is no English language club. So we are lucky we have found it. In this club, we are communicate very easily. We are self-boosting ourselves. So time is very short. Our peers also have their speech. That's why I am concluded here.
Okay, thank you, Abir Ahmed. Now I'm going to request Muhammad Hasnat. Present. Afzal Mahmoud, Faisal Mahmoud Adib. Faisal Mahmoud Adib, come here. Dear friends and honorable teachers, I first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. I am also well by the grace of Allah. Today I am going to tell about the importance of English language club. Anyway, my name is Faisal Mahmoud Adib. English language club is a club where the other members can learn English and speak and read English every day. We are getting the opportunity from the school to speak English every day, which helps us to develop our English skills. And it is also very helpful for conversational skills. Everyone should be joining the English language club, and that's also great thing. Okay, thank you very much. Now Mahamudur Rahman Tasin, present. Mahamudur Mujahidul Islam. Next, ready Tahmid Farhan Sabit. After Mujahidul.
First of all, I would like to thank my honorable president for giving me the opportunity. Hello everyone,
At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Well, I am really pleased to become a speaker in such a splendid program in this beautiful morning. Actually, I am not a good speaker like you. I possess very little knowledge, so it's my request to all, please you will ignore all my shortcomings. Anyway, I will try my best to share with my little knowledge with you. My full name is Mujahidul Islam, but call me Mujahid. I am a student of grade 9. The name of our school is Gopurgaon Islamia Government High School. I am from Chilaji and I live at Teachers Road in Gopurgaon. Now I am talking about my journey at English Language Club. When I come at first English Language Club, I cannot explain myself. I am very hesitant to explain myself. But nowadays I am practicing, and Mazharul sir is not our teacher, he is our idol, and he is always our idol, and he is always motivate us to speak English. That's all for today for the timing. This was the next one.
Okay. Excellent. Now, Tahmid Farhan Sabit.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. At first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I am Tahmid Farhan Sabit of
Okay, carry on.
Also, I am a member of the English Club. English Club is important of our every student.
Carry on.
English Club is important for our every student. It helps our English skills and fluency. English Club is very important for our every student. That was it for timing.
Excellent, Sabit, for your nice presentation. Now, Sia Mohammed. Hurry up. Next, Imtiaz Khan Tarif. Okay.
Honorable teacher and my dear friend, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? My name is Siam Islam. I am 15 years old. I am in grade 9. The name of my school is Gopurgaon Islamia Government High School. My main topic is importance of learning English. English is an international language. It is spoken all over the world. It is very important in our life. That's all right.
Okay, thank you very much, Sia Mohammed. Now, Mirza Benazir Ahmed Sinha.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. President Habib for you. I am a student of grade 8 in Gopurgaon Government High School. Now today I am telling importance of English language class. English language class is more important for us. English is not a subject, it is a language. The English language class helps us to learn English fluently. We can learn English there easily. We can learn, practice English there. So that's all for the time. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mirza Benazir Ahmed. Now, Abdullah Rifat. Rahim Mia. Daniel Islam Nabil. Hurry up. Next, Rokon Ahmed Sami. After Daniel.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nabil. I speaking myself. My school name is Gopurgaon Islamia Government High School. I read in class 6. My favorite food is banana. I read in class 6. Okay, sir. Assalamualaikum.
Okay, wonderful. You are student of grade 6, but you have tried your level best. Okay, now Rokon Ahmed Sami.
Dear friends and honorable teachers, Assalamualaikum. At first, take my love and I would you are very kind and also be kind as a grace of India. This is Guru Ahmed. I am 12 years old. I am grade 7. The name of my school is Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. Now I tell something about importance of English language. We know that English is an international language. About 315 million people speak English as a first language. On the other hand, 300 million people use it as a second language. English language is very important to learn English. We use English language to communicate with people of other countries. In English language club, we can practice that how to talk and conversation with people in various situations. In English language club, we can practice with each other. In English language club, we can develop our vocabulary skills. We can develop our English language skills. When firstly I was participating in English language club, I was make many mistakes of pronouns, but I always managed that mistake is part of education, which I was learned from my favorite teacher and Diman Sarojit. That's all for the time being. Allah.
Thank you, Ghulam Ahmed Sami. Now, Raz, student of class 6, come here.
Hello dear friends, and now I will teacher Assalamualaikum. I am really glad to morning. My name is Shama. I am 11 years old. I read class in the name of my school, Government High School. But today's main topic is my school. My school name is Government High School. A basic school in our hometown, Gopalganj City. There are big building and a big pond. And my school teacher is very best teacher. That's all. Thank you.
Excellent, you are student of grade 6. Now, Arham Hassan Dipro. Hurry up. Next, Aryan.
Hello dear honorable teachers and my classmates, my senior brothers and junior brothers. How are you all? Hope all of that is something my team. Firstly, Assalamualaikum. I am also before you. I am a student of Government High School. So, in Bangladesh, many schools have an English language class. So, similarly, we have an English language class. So, English plays a vital role in our life. If you see in foreign countries, many Bangladesh have been neglected day by day for many years because they are not well educated in English. So, English is a very kind of it plays a vital role in our life. So, in English language class, you can see many video clips, English fluency, and English talking about is very significant for in our life. So time is short, so I don't stretch it. So that's all for short. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Now, Ishal Chandra. Next, Taib. Shangit Hasan Taib. After him.
My name is Vishal. My school name is Gopalganj Islamia Government High School. Now I will discuss some issues about the importance of the language class. I have developed of my language class. Yeah, language class. Yeah. That's all.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, after Shangit Hasan.
Audience and the teachers at first taking Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. How are you? Well, this is Kadam Shangit Hasan Taib. I am a very pleased to come here in this beautiful evening. Actually, I am not a good speaker, but I want to be a good speaker in future. I am sorry for my ignorance. My today's topic is English Debate Festival 2024. English class plays a very important role in our life.
it helps us to learn English language. The biggest advantage of English language club is all members speak English language with each other. In this club, English language skills are enhanced by discussing various topics. Also, this club has many more benefits. For the time being, that's all the rest of it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.
Excellent. Shanjit Asantai. Now Faisal Al Mahmoud, student of grade 10.
First of all, thank you very much for giving me such great opportunity to say something before you. Honorable head teacher and assistant head teacher and dear teacher and younger brothers, Assalamu alaikum. Hariom to our British friends. This is Faisal Al Mahmoud before you, student of grade 10 of Government High School. And I'm very glad to be here in this pleasant morning, and actually it's a great pleasure for me to say something before you. Anyway, I'll try my level best to deliver my short on today's topic, the importance of learning English in the first century. Why I choose this topic? Because as a student, we should realize its importance. Otherwise, we will not speak English. And English has become a global language of communication and opening doors to endless opportunities and bridging cultural gaps. In this era of globalization, fluency in speaking English is a vital skill not only academic and professionally success, but also personal growth and intercultural success. And English empowers us to connect with people from different backgrounds and share ideas and grow and share their ideas and collaborate on a global scale. And as the Nelson Mandela once said, if you talk to man in a language, he understands that goes to his head. But if you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart. And English teaches us to the best area of knowledge, resources, and competitive age in global as increasingly interconnected the world. And moreover, English enhances our critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills, and it equips us the ability to new situation and cultural diversity, and it also empowers us to instill in us the quality of empathy, tolerance, and respect. And let us remember that my younger brother, English is not just the great way to world of endless possibilities, and embrace the learning English because it will shape your future, and also if you get many opportunity in future. And once the Professor Bandar once said that progress is impossible without it, and those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything. So if you really want it, become the best version of yourself. And mind it, is not always easy, not always simple, but with enough dedication, anyhow it can be achieved. So I will promise you will get there. So thank you very much for all your attention, and I wish you all for to regain the English fluency. Allah Hafiz.
Excellent. Now, Tariqul Islam. Fakirul Islam. Thanks, my honorable orators, for giving me this opportunity to say something to this topic. And today is our English debate principal is final round is held. Now let's introduce myself. I am Abdul Salam of Government High School and grade class 9. So today's my topic is introduce English language class. I am a member of English language class of Government High School. English language club is a club where a student practices speaking skill. Once I could not introduce myself, but when I get English language club, I can introduce myself very easily. And when, especially thanks to our teacher and Imam Islam Shumon, he has motivated us. Inshallah, one day I will see success, and everybody pray for me. That's all. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Excellent. Clap for him. Now Sabir. After Sabir, Deep will come. And last speaker, Mohsin after him all. Assalamu alaikum, teachers and my dear friends.
how are you? I'm really pleased to come here. It is beautiful morning. Actually, I'm more happy of speaking in public speaking. I'm not a good speaker, but I will try to just to say something regarding my topic. Today, now I explain myself. My full name is Saravasan Satri, but call me Satri. I'm great name. I'm a student in Gopalgarh Government High School. I'm from Nandabad now. I live at Nakhombo in Gopalgarh. Now, I'm talking about English language club. English language club is a place where people go to learn English language. And English language club is very important for new English learners. If you want to go with English, you need to go to English language club. So there we practice English language to studies and etc. Before I come in, and I am a language club member. Before I come in here, I never thought that I am able to speak in public space. Before I come in here, I don't expect myself in English. I always expect to say something in front of people, but now I don't expect English because I try to always learn English. Thank you very much. That's all. Please. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, Nimu. And prepare yourself, Colin.
Honorable President, Secretary, Teacher, distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I'm really pleased to become a speaker in such funny program. Morning moment. Actually, I'm not able to speak like you. I possess very little knowledge, which many girls don't get to it. Anyway, I'm going to share my knowledge with you. Today is my first English debate competition in our school. It is a great opportunity in our school that we can English debate in our school. Here, many of us have helped. We organize this competition with our classmates together. The most contributors here in our sir, and thank you, Mr. Sir, and I respect all the teachers, and especially head sir, I salute of myself, and thank you very much as a student. That's all.
Excellent. Thank you for your nice speech. With this short time. Okay, now Muksit Aptai Polen, the last speaker of Language Club.
At the moment, I would like to give my salam to the present audience, to the debaters, to the teachers, to the guests, and lastly, my mentor in the model is concerned. So today, we are present here at a very interesting event at aka the debate festival of the Gopalgarh English Language Club. So you might say that I'm not a speaker at a public place. Too much academic work in my body, I've seen it. I don't have that much experience to speak in these kind of scenarios. But still, I'm speaking, so short interviews are expected, so please ignore it. Okay, so today, firstly I'm introducing myself. I'm a student of grade 9 at Gopalgarh High School, and my section was 2, and I live in a town of Gopalgarh. So without just entering into those boring topics, I might focus on the today's spotlight or highlight is that my emotions, my feelings, or the progression of English debate club. If I speak on this topic, or if I raise my voice on that matter, one thing is crystal clear is that our debate club has progressed. Like, we always compare ourselves to who are better than us, but we never compare ourselves to people who are lesser than us. Like, the city in Gopalgarh. Well, Gopalgarh is a very important place, or an essential place for education. You see, education is a very important margin to actually compare or actually evaluate a person. Well, we don't value one's studies as English. Well, English is valued by us as a language. We learn English grammar, we score good scores, we get GPA, but we never speak English. In that time, Gopalgarh Government High School is the only school to have a sophisticated and a prosperous debate club. One instance that where schools in Gopalgarh are not just speaking English, then Islamia School is the only school who is arranging English debates. We can actually judge our prosperity in the English. So another thing is that like we actually speak English, but we don't actually judge ourselves by speaking English. We don't get a proper environment. We don't have people to speak with. We don't have the place to express our ideas. Like You might have different kinds of influences. Social influences say that never share your ideas to small-minded people rather than getting your mind stuck in a place. We actually find people, if you want to speak English to the person, you might get lost, you might get ignored. But whereas the students of Dr. Government High School have a place like English debating, English language club, they can speak English, they can actually progress themselves. And I was not also able to speak English in that case. I influenced and improved myself. In that way, English language club, it was a turning point because I'm speaking in front of you, I'm actually connecting dots, I'm actually connecting sentences, I'm actually exchanging and meaningful ideas with you. Were I been able to speak English like this? No, I wasn't able to speak English like this. This is actually the outcome, the result of speaking English gradually through 6 years. Yes, you have the word right. Officially, formally, informally, I was connected to Sir and actually the English club for more than 6.5 years when I was a student of grade 4. And here I would like to end my speech and ask you to help us to actually make a better future of the English language club.
Thank you for that. I'd like to add some information. When Pauline was a grade student of 5, 2020, I discovered him. He was very brilliant and he was very interested to speak in English. Now he's grade 9. Okay, I would like to add more information to our honorable head teacher, honorable assistant head teacher, and including senior teacher and other teachers. I have been running my journey since 2019, online English language club. Firstly, I opened Skype ID, and then after 2020 COVID-19, then I started work with foreign teachers. Till now, I have been worked with 64 country teachers, more than 140 teachers, and including my students. And my students already sent messages across the world. They were introduced themselves. I am a student of Dr. Islamia Government High School. That time, I feel very proud, and still now I am doing these activities. But after 5 years, I have fulfilled my dream. I am very lucky to have you. My dear learners, you are the key points. You are the main key points. If you don't help me, I couldn't continue English Debate Club. And you have helped me very generously, and still now you are doing. So I would like to special thanks from the bottom of my heart. And I would like to special thanks to our honorable head teacher when I informed him, sir, advise me. Any kind of decision you can take if it is favor of my students, then I started a plan. In this year, I will arrange a debate club, debate competition. Today, I have fulfilled my dream. Thanks, my dear teacher, and I would like to special thanks honorable judges. They help me cordially for every session, first round and final round. They are doing their work very cordially and honestly. And my dear learners, again I would like to special thanks to you. Now I would like to request our senior teacher and the Azizul Haq sir, please come to the dais and announce today's result. Now sir is going to declare today's debate competition result.
Thank you. Honorable Headmaster, Assistant Headmaster, Senior Teacher, Assistant Teacher, and my dear class. Assalamu alaikum. All credit goes to Mr. Mazhar Islam, who is the great person I see, and who has given a lot of labor behind this project. So, as a teacher of Kishkinganj Government Boys High School, I am also very proud to be the part of you. And I also request again to our honorable headmaster to set a class basically on curricular activities.
for language club per week a day, so that we can get together every now and then. And I also request to the organizer, I mean that very person, Mr. Mazhar Islam, to include us as the language class. It is a language class, so with the teacher of English department, side by side Bangla department, we all would like to include our language class. Every now and then, I will add activity. You will include us so that we can practice a lot. It is the such kind of platform where our learners will practice not that. With the teacher will also practice, because I think this platform help not only for the learners but also for the teachers. Okay? And before declaring the result, I think result should be obtained by the honorable chief guest, not by the adults. Okay? Before declaring the result, I would like to tell you something. 2 minutes, only 2 minutes. Baba, please, you have to listen to me. Otherwise, not possible on my part to tell you. Okay? Education, education, and education. It is a last word, you know. Okay? Everybody is running after education. But I think from home to clinic, I mean, what to that, we have to acquire knowledge, side by side we have to learn many things. So, there is no boundary, there is no locality where we will be confined. I have to move about all over the world now. So, if I tell you the definition of education in a common source, we will not do. Everybody thinks that only obtaining degrees from the university is education. But I think education is not such kind of thing. Basically, education is the process by which one can change oneself behavior. And what is the purpose of education? The purpose of education is to offer publish one's talent, you know. So when you will go to do this, then you have to move about all over the world. Otherwise, not possible on your part. Now, I would like to answer you today's topic. What is the topic? You have already presented yourself against and both of the team. Proposition and position. Side by side, opposition. You have presented yourself very nicely, fantastically. So if you are able to present yourself fantastically, why not fantabulous? I think I will suggest you will go for to be fantabulous. You are good, you are better, why not for the best? I will suggest you to be the best. And you have proved that grammar is more important than conversation. Now, skill. One example I would like to give you. When you were born, could you speak? Of course not. After some days, when everybody makes up some echoing, that means try to make any kind of sound, then you try to echo. And then you try to babbling. First of all echoing and then babbling. After that you are able to utter the word quarter, half, and then full. I mean, expert in Bengali, of course not. That's why, what is the technique of learning, mastering a language? Of course, by listening and speaking. So if you do it regular. Now, I would like to request our honorable chief guest to declare the result, today's result. Okay? Okay, Sari is requesting me, that's why I am going to declare the result. You know that both of the teams presented very nicely and difference is very little. Difference is very little, only 2 marks. So I think both of the things, proposition, position and opposition have done well. So first of all, I would like to declare the winner. Today's winner team is opposition against John Milton. But there is no matter of minding those who do not become winner. You are the loser, but once upon a time, later on, you will be able to win. And today's the best speaker is Mahmoudul Hasan Deep. Okay? You are clapping, you are giving big hands. But now I would like to tell you to give a big hand for the organizer, Mr. Mohammed. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for declaring the result. Both teams are trying very hard and they will, but one team will lose. This is our system. Okay. Now I am going to request our chief guest sir, please deliver Purushkar. Okay. First, I am going to request winner team. Go there and receive champions crest. Another shop. To be champions. Sorry, first runners up. Runners up team comes here to receive your runners up trophy. Okay. Runners up. Okay. Now I requested to champion team to go to the dais and receive your champions trophy. I clap. Okay. Thank you. Now I am going to request best speaker. Best speaker of the debates, Mahmoudul Hasan Dil. Receive your award from our honorable chief guest. Thank you. Okay. Nah, sir. এটা পরে দেই। এটা মডারেটর। এখন স্যার হলো নাম অনুসারে বলবো যে ইয়াগুলা যে 12 জন অংশগ্রহণ করছে তাদের। Now I'm going to declare the names of 12 debaters. Debaters already participated 4 teams. Now I'm going to pronounce their name. নাম বলবো এইখান থেকে সার্টিফিকেট সহ হ্যাঁ লাইট সিরিয়াল সাজানো হচ্ছে Okay. Now, Nasheed Anwar.